Today I will show you how to glow LED using transistor. You can see in the circuit we have transistor, which is a NPN transistor. So you can see here the transistor is in off condition because transistor doesn't get 0.7 volt. Let's check it. What happens when the transistor in off condition? You can see here LED is not glowing as the some current flows, but LED doesn't glow because transistor is in off condition. So to on the transistor, you have to give the supply of 0.7 volt to the transistor. So adjusting the value of resistor, we are giving here 0.7 volt to the transistor. Okay, so resistor we are using here 82 kilo ohms, and this is of 1 kilo ohm. So let's see what happen when we give 0.7 volt to the transistor. So current is flowing through a diode, but it is in off condition. Let's on the LED. So we have on the transistor, LED is glowing and we get 6.7 milliampere. Okay, so by this circuit you can redraw on breadboard, or you can build up the circuit using PCB, and we can use as a switch also, transistor as a switch. Now I am turning off, the LED will glow off. Okay, so as you press this switch, LED will glow. Okay, so this is the basic circuit how to run the LED by using transistor. Okay, so always remember, you have to remember the components. What are the components are used for glowing the LED? So we are using two resistor, which R1 and R2. R1 is a 1 kilo ohm, and here we are using 82 kilo ohm for getting a 0.1 milliampere. Okay, so always remember, when you get base to emitter voltage, the LED will be glow. Okay, so this is the basic circuit of the NPN transistor.